Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about creating complex JSON files. We have recently started assisting our customers with data transformation, and we provide various number of services such as data transformation, cleaning, validation, migration, etc. In this particular example, we'll be preparing data for submitting to Luminova API endpoint. Luminova is a global platform for electronic supply chain management. It has API, which you can find here. Let me show you the workflow we created for our customers. So the source is QED file, and what we're doing here, we're creating a JSON file. JSON writer creates a JSON array, and our array has three fields: internal part number, description, and component. Component is rather complex JSON object. Let me show how it looks like, the end result. So here it is. Here's a component. Sorry, here it is. Here's a component. The rest with just single JSON pairs. So the first step is obviously to read data using data reader. Well, I have created a dummy QED file for this transformation because we don't want to show any customer data. The next step is to trim all the fields, remove the spaces. After that, we sort the data using item and part type. And validator splits the string. So we have if part type is equal off the shelf, we do one transformation, otherwise we do another transformation. So for example, this one is a custom, this one is custom. We encode JSON string because we might have some special characters or international characters like German umlauts, for example. And we use in place replace transformation function. So we have this value, and here's our result JSON. Let me show you another validator. What we also do here, we check if manufacturer is not null or empty string, because we can't load the data without manufacturer. It is mandatory field, so we just silently discard it. Then we do transformation. This transformation is slightly more complicated because we have two values, NPN and manufacturer. And again, here's our template. So NPN manufacturer. And after that, we join the fields together using union. All. We group them because we want to concatenate component. Basically, a component might have multiple values, and this allows us to combine them together using this concat delimiter. And the last step is another transformation. Okay, we just do here again in place replace. Have type, and we have parts type as well, parts. So here's our transformation result. And the last step is we use writer to write our JSON. Let me open it in Notepad++, also formatted. You can see there are no errors. Everything is properly formatted. And it is ready for submissions to a Luminova endpoint. Right? In the next tutorial, I'm going to talk about submitting components to Luminova endpoint. Again, thanks for watching. If you have similar tasks or you want us to help you to transform your data, please feel free to contact us. Please also like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.